Hello, today I'm going to model how I use a think aloud strategy to help students plan, write, spell, and even revise their writing. I will show you exactly what I'm thinking as I write, so students can learn how strong writers make decisions. First, I am going to model how I plan my writing before I begin. I'm going to think about what I could write about. I need a topic I know a lot about. I could write about my favorite season. I am choosing my favorite season because I can add details about the weather, activities, and why I enjoy the season. First, I'm going to model to you how you write your title on the top of your paper. So we're going to start off with my favorite season. And it should look like that. Your title goes at the top. Now, I'm going to model how I organize my ideas before writing full sentences. I will use a simple plan. I need to have an introduction, 2 detail sentences, and a closing sentence. So, we need to have our introduction, two detail sentences, and our closing sentence. We start off with our introduction, a detail, and then a closing. I'm going to think through each part before I start writing so my ideas are clear and organized. Now, I am going to model how I turn my plan into sentences. I will start with my introduction sentence. Let's see, I'm thinking I want a clear sentence starter. I will write, my favorite season is fall. So we're going to start off with my favorite season is fall. There is our first sentence that we said was our introduction sentence. Now, I am checking as I've written my sentence. I need a capital letter at the beginning, spaces between each of my words, and a period at the end of my sentence. Now, I'm going to model how I handle spelling when I'm unsure. I am writing the word season. I'm not fully sure how to spell the word season, so I will sound it out slowly. Season. I will try my best and then I will check it. Season. Season. We spelled it right. Now, I'm going to model how I reread and revise my writing. I'm going to read my sentence out loud as a writer. My favorite season is fall. I notice that my sentence is clear, but I can add a lot more detail to make it stronger. I'm going to revise by adding another sentence starter. One reason I like fall is, I'm thinking about how I can make my writing more interesting for the reader by adding details. So today I modeled how I use think aloud strategies to plan, write, spell, and revise my writing. Students can use this same process to help them become more confident and independent writers by thinking through each step as they write. Thank you.